Assalamualaikum. How's everything going, everyone? We'll be having fun by making a bookmark like this. Cool, right? Yeah, sure. Inshallah, we can make it by ourselves. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is all we need. We have scissors, a cutter, a pencil, paper, ribbon, and laminating plastic. And iron as well. Now I want to make a bookmark, as you can see, for my new best friend, Sinta. Alright, all we have to do is, first we have to make a pattern like this, Sinta. And second, we cut that like this by using a cutter. Okay, then cut again using scissors like so. Done. Of course, we can add some ornaments. I use flowers this time. Then put that in our laminating plastic like so. Here, we use cotton scarf to make sure that our laminating plastic doesn't touch the iron directly. And we use iron for about 15 seconds according to your machine, of course. And please make sure that the iron is warm enough. Done. Finally, cut the plastic accordingly. and make a hole for the ribbon. Then you got it. Easy, right? Yeah, it's relatively easy. But why Sinta? Yeah, that's because I'm an academia in Indonesia. So I hope that when I see this bookmark, I will remember that I have to update my data on Sinta. Yeah, I should. But that's another story. Anyway, it's a perfect gift we can give to our friends, our colleagues, and our loved ones. Okay, my time is up. Now it's your turn to make yours. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Until next time.